Ever wondered why some plants in your garden seem to thrive when grown close to certain other plants? This is the magic of companion planting, a technique that harnesses the natural affinities between plants to create a flourishing garden. It's a nifty trick that aids in pest control, promotes pollination, and maximizes the use of garden space. It's like creating the perfect matchmaking system right in your backyard. Now that you have a basic understanding of what companion planting is, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Ready to transform your gardening technique? Let's begin. The first step in companion planting is selecting compatible plants. Some plants help each other grow, while others hinder growth, so do your research. For instance, tomatoes love carrots but despise potatoes. Next, pay attention to the needs of each plant. Sunlight, water, and soil type are crucial factors for plant growth. For instance, plants like lettuce thrive under the shade of sun-loving corn. Now, how to arrange the plants in your garden? It's all about ensuring each plant has enough space and access to sunlight. Visualize your garden as a miniature city. Each plant is a building, needing its own plot of land and a clear view of the sun. Remember, companion planting is an art as much as it is a science. It's okay to make mistakes, as each mistake is a step towards mastery. With these steps, you can start experimenting with companion planting in your own garden. See? Mastering the art of companion planting isn't as complicated as it seems. It's all about understanding plant relationships and creating a harmonious garden. Remember, each plant has a role to play, from pest control to nutrient enrichment. Why not give it a try? Experiment with different combinations and let us know how it goes in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!